Bonjour friends, and happy French Friday to you! Okay friends, this first project that I'm going to be working on today is actually not an Easter or spring project. It's just a project that I've been meaning to get done, and I wanted to get this done before I did my spring and Easter home tour. And so it is this nice wood shelf with these cute wooden pegs on it, and it's actually showing up more yellow in person than it is on camera. So I just want to make this more of a neutral color for my bedroom, and I picked this up for $4.99 at the thrift store. It still had the original price tag on it from Home Goods for $9.99. And I will be painting this with a white spray paint, a Rust-Oleum white paint, and I have to do several coats to cover it. I'm really happy with how the shelf turned out, and here I am. I'm just decorating it for you, and here is the final look. You're getting a sneak peek here at two pictures that are new. I'll be sharing those in an upcoming haul video, and everything else I already had. Okay, so now for Easter DIY. Here we're going to be doing a faux chocolate bunny DIY here. I already had a few of them, and so I wanted to do my own. And this is one that I already painted. I thought I got that on camera and didn't. And then this is Bunny I already had with the little bow around its neck and the little egg with the chick on top. So I'm going to create the same look using acrylic craft paint in brown. I found this for $1 at Dollar General store. And this works really nice for this project. And as you can see on the bunny with the white egg in the back, I already painted that. And like I said, I thought I got it on camera but didn't. So that's the after. I'll be also painting that white egg actually in chocolate as well. I wasn't sure if I wanted to or not, but then I ended up painting it. But let's go ahead and get started on this project. I picked this one up for, I believe it was 75 cents at the thrift store, and then I picked this one up for $1.50 at the thrift store. And I just want to make it look like faux chocolate. I think they look so cute for Easter. And I always love decorating with faux food. And I think it's so fun and looks so yummy. And 0 calories, that's the best part, right? I ended up doing several coats on this to get really good coverage. Because of it being white, it took more coats than this little bunny here was already dark. So that was easy, one coat. And then I just had to paint the little egg chocolate. Let me know, what do you guys think? Does it look better with the chocolate egg? Or I almost thought about painting it gold to look like a little golden egg too. I wasn't sure what to do, but I think I am happy with how that turned out. And I'm happy with how this turned out as well. And I painted the inside of it. And I think these look a little bit more like a dark chocolate. And my little egg over here with little chick on it looks more like the milk chocolate. I think I mentioned already I paid 75 cents for that at the thrift store, but I just wanted to make sure I didn't forget to tell you the price on that one. And then the other one I had thrifted for $1.50, that bunny sitting on the egg. So yeah, I'm happy with how these cute little chocolate bunnies turned out. And there's my other little chocolate bunny. I always think they look so cute under glass cloches because I think it makes them look more realistic, like it's real chocolate bunny. You could even spray paint these with brown spray paint. My mom did that recently to hers. Okay, this next project is just one that I wanted to get done before my home tour as well. I bought this at the swap meet and it was missing one drawer, but that's okay. I think I can put some greenery sticking out of it, or maybe even a little nest inside there, something cute setting inside that empty drawer spot, so we'll see. But it's this dark blue color, and I got it for $40. And I thought that was a little high for a swap meet, but normally these little drawer cabinets are pretty pricey, so it wasn't too bad of a price, I didn't think. And I'm going to be spray painting it with this Rust-Oleum chalk paint in this cream color. And I've got my little Rust-Oleum trigger here. It makes it a lot easier for spraying it on. And so let's go ahead and get started with painting this piece now. it is all finished. I'm happy with how this turned out. For now, I just put it on the stair landing. Okay, for the next Easter project here that I picked up these wooden ornaments from the Dollar Tree store, and it comes 8 in a pack. And I just wanted to paint these some different colors that I'll be using this year in my Easter decor. This green color is celery, and then I also am going to be using this spa blue color, as well as this apple barrel white. And then I also wanted to make some in this brushed bronze gold color. It says brushed bronze, but it's actually like an antique gold color. Okay, now that my ornaments are all done, I'm just hanging them on my Easter tree along with my eggs that I already have on here. I have this picture on canvas that looks like an oil painting, but it's not. It's just printed picture on a canvas, and it got damaged in our move. So what I'm thinking about doing is I have this picture frame that I picked up at the thrift store for 99 cents. And let me flip it around to show you the other side. I think it's a really pretty frame. I may leave it as is, or I might just do some rub and buff in the antique gold on here. So I haven't decided yet. And then what I'm gonna do is take the piece of glass here from my frame and fit it on here, and then see exactly where I want to trace, and then cut it out from, and we'll go from there and then fit that into my frame. Wish I had a little bit bigger frame for it, but I don't, so I think the small one would be nice though too, and it'll be being able to use it again since this was damaged. I think it'll be nice. So I may just leave the glass out though, so that it looks like an oil painting, a small oil painting. I think that'll be pretty. So I love the cows down here. Going to get a drink of water. But I just like this country farmhouse scene on here, so I think it'll be pretty. So we'll see. So I'll get to work, and then I will show you how this turns out too. Here it is all done, and I think it turned out really nice. I love the crackling on the canvas. I don't know if you can see that on camera. I can see it, but hopefully you can see it as well. But I love the detail here on the frame. I think it's a really pretty frame. I can't decide if I should use the antique gold rub and buff on it or not. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Maybe I'll live with it for a little while, and until I can decide here what to do. But definitely give me your opinion. Let me know what you think. Should I leave it as is, or should I paint the frame? So yeah, I'm really happy with how that turned out. I decided to hang it here in our powder room bathroom for now anyways. I think it looks nice in here. Let me know what you think. I found this print at Goodwill, and I was immediately attracted to it because of the sheep in this print. So I love the farm scene here, and this print was $1.99 at the Goodwill, and I had a hole here in the mat, but I'm not worried about that because I'm going to be cutting up this picture to fit in a smaller size frame, And I'm thinking about possibly using this one that I found at the Goodwill for $1.99. I love the antique gold frame and the color of this and everything. So I'm thinking about using that, but I also found this old antique gold frame at my, I don't even know what to call it actually, because there's no name on the store. And so I'm just going to call it a junk thrift shop. Okay, it's just kind of a junky thrift store, I guess. So I don't know what else to call it. It has kind of just a pathway to walk through. It's very full of things, and you really have to sometimes dig around and really look so you don't miss anything. Trying to find a treasure amongst the junky stuff, but I always find good things when I go in there in that shop. So I always love to check it out whenever I can. And I just love this old frame. It's a little bit cracked here, but I think I can fix that with some wood glue. And I need to clean up the glass, and I'm going to change the picture out that's in this frame. And so I'm thinking I might be able to use that for one of these two frames, if not both. Maybe if I can get, if there's enough picture in this print to get two pictures out of it. I'm not sure yet. And then the next picture I found at Goodwill was this cute bunny picture, and I wasn't crazy about the frame, but I'm just going to take it out of this frame and put it in a different frame. And so I may use this one to put in one of the gold frames too. So we'll see. And I got this one for, I think it was 99 cents. Yes, 99 cents. So I think that will be very pretty to use for Easter. Sorry, there's a glare on the picture here. Trying to get it to where you can see it. Maybe you can see it better there. And so yeah, I think this will go really nicely with my Easter decor this year that I'll be using. And I also have this little frame that I got for 99 cents. And so if I wanted to, I could possibly use that for my bunny picture. We'll see. So I'm not sure yet. And then I'll probably end up using this frame and painting it and then distressing it and using it for something else that I want to sell, that I want to resell. So, yeah. So I will show you though what I end up doing with the picture and which frames they go in and everything. I'll show you what I end up doing, so stay tuned for that. Okay, here's how my bunny picture turned out. I think it looks so sweet in this little small frame. I was so excited that one of the frames actually fit perfectly on my canvas oil paint that I bought in Paris, and so I was very excited to get that framed finally. I think the bunny and the sheep pictures will be perfect for spring and Easter. I ended up wanting to use the rest of the sheep, so I found this little frame that I already had on hand and was able to get two pictures out of the one picture. You'll have to come back and see my home tour to see where I placed these pictures. Thank you so much for watching today. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and click on that notifications bell as well down below. And I will see you in the next one. Until then, au revoir.